Welcome to Maldaham. Nandito po tayo sa City Hall. Ito ang City Hall ng Maldaham. Yung huling video natin dito ay kalbo ang mga punong kahoy. So ngayon, ayan, ang gaganda na ng mga dahon nila, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, ganda, diba? Yung mga punong kahoy, sila yun ang nagbibigay aliw sa daan, sa mga dumadaan. So nice. This road is bad, yeah, but the I can see the trees are beautiful. So ayan, oh, there are flowering trees. Look at this, yeah, so nice. Oh, look, ayan, busy ang mga farmers. Ang daming dalawang big tractors na gumagawa sa they cut grasses,
yeah,
and the other one turns to dry.
yeah.
So balik tayo dito
Then
sa
they will put
Yan.
in row or in put
yun,
in silo or in rows.
yeah. So yun nga, guys, wow, beautiful. Oh, sa malapitan, guys, ang ganda ng mga punong kahoy. So ngayon, ang pakay natin ay bibili ng ice cream. Kasi dito sa Belgium, guys, hindi lang sa groceries mo nabibili ang ice cream. Dito ay may mga homemade ice cream. So pupuntahan natin yung place to buy homemade ice cream. Guys, yan si Lolo tsaka si Lola. Ang sarap magbike dito kapag may araw gaya ngayon. Ang relaxation ng mga tao, lumabas magbike, partner by partner. Karamihan mga old people. Yun yung dating relaxation nila, magbike. Ganda na nga araw. Masaya ang mga people. Ang ganda yan. Ganda. O, diba? Sana naaaliw kayo sa ating video. Simpleng road trip, pero yung mga view sa daan ang nakikita natin, nakakaaliw. Diba? Yan, dito naman sa kanan, ganyan sila mag-grow ng kanilang garden. Simple pero ang ganda, wow. Church. It's a church. Daan tayo sa church. Laki na din ang punong kahoy na yan. So dito, hindi sila nagpuputol ng punong kahoy. Ang ganda, guys, oh. O, diba? Oh, ganda. So, nakaka-relax dumaan dito, diba? Ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view.
Wow, here it's so nice.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Look at how green, how nice. The fields are.
Yes.
Wow.
In this area, the trees are bigger. Easy. Yeah, this is nice. Tuloy natin, nakaka-relax lang tingnan yung yung mga punong kahoy. how they harvested the grasses over there.
It should be here somewhere on the right side, my brother say.
There's a placard.
Yeah, there should be how you call this?
Placard.
Yeah,
Ang ganda guys. Oh.
link, reclame, hoe noem je dat? Now we have to start to
Oh.
look. I get the
Oh.
I think it's here somewhere. I see their plates.
Plaka plates, yes. Plaka plates.
It's here.
What is that? Daar zorg de boer voor?
Vandamme, aerobroltomaat. Hier, baby, hier.
The open.
What is this? What is that? What they do here? It should be further because my brother says it's close to the Iron Horse.
Where is the iron horse?
A little further.
Uh-huh.
But they say Hoeve-ijs, so I did not see a sign Hoeve-ijs.
Yeah, that one is not over ice.
There is a sign again.
Here we will see.
Here.
Yeah, over ice. Yeah, we are
What is that?
here.
It's closed.
Dito ang plantasyon ng strawberry. Ang daming automat. Ayan, merong
I
bumibili.
think we cannot, man. It will not go.
So, ayan guys, nandito tayo sa plantation ng strawberries. Napakalawak. Ang dami. Dito yung pinakamalaking bilihan ng strawberries. Ang kinagandahan ay pwedeng bumili gamit ang card, debit card. Kapag pera ang gamit mo, 5, 10 or 20 euros lang, wala kaming bariya. Pero ngayon, sinadya namin, sabi ng kapatid ni Kuya, pwede raw gamitin yung bank. So, maraming pumupunta dito para bumili. Ayan, ang dami. Oh, pipili ka lang.
Maybe how you do this?
Cash in, bank contact. You tap.
What is it? They are all the same, you know?
Ayun, nakakuha na tayo, guys. Ayun. Dalawa. 8 euros. Alaikum. We have the bag. Here in the back seat. Ayun. Here in the back seat.
Oh, I have my key.
Talagang dinadayo dito, guys. Aha. Ayun, oh. Look how they protect. Oh, sana makita natin. Kapag maliliit pa, bagong tubo.
Alleen
Ayun.
namen net toch gewoon. We get the strawberries already.
Yeah. Happy
We
na
have
si Kuya.
something.
Yeah. He is so happy. Ganyan kalawak, guys. Dito banda
No.
tsaka sa kabila.
Hmm.
Wow, yeah. Yeah, happy na si Kuya. May strawberries na siya. Ganda ng view. Wow, ang ganda. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Nakabili na tayo ng super preskong strawberries.
Evenepoel zelf reageert op alles via Instagram. Voor de start van de eerste etappe kwam hij daar nog eventjes op terug.
Hij heeft een audio gestuurd, maar zonder excuses alleszins. Dus dat was wel... En dan moet iedereen ook verder gaan met zijn eigen ding vervolgd.
inaani na nila yung mga damo, grasses. Bale ngayon malakas ang araw, kaya pinapatuyo.
Mogelijk onweersbuien bij 25 graden. Zondag en begin